I'm back with another exciting video, which is regarding the current position of all the stock tips from 5paisa. So, as you can see, there are few stocks which are in the buy zone. So, four of the stocks in the buy zone. There are a lot of stocks from 5paisa recommended, but not currently in the buy zone. It has moved up, but still there is a huge potential to have some upside on those. So the stocks which are right now in the buy zone are Fine Organics. Then you have your Gujarat Fluorochemicals Limited. Then Healthcare Globals Entertainment, and your Venkesh India. So these are the stocks in the buy zone currently. You can really get into the stocks for some upside on each of the stocks. And in terms of the stocks which have been recommended but not in the buy zone, either they are below the buying zone suggested, or some of them have actually gone up from the buying zone. So let's say for instance Persistent Systems has moved up from the buy zone, but still you can buy the stock for some gains on the stock. Same is the case with Larsen and Toubro Infotech. This has also moved up, but there is still potential on the stock for some further up moves. Realis India has gone down a bit. Then stocks like DCB Bank has gone down. All Cargo has moved up. Aarti Drugs has gone down. So looking into all these, it looks like you can buy these four stocks from the top at the current levels. But at the same time, L&T Infotech and Persistent Systems you can buy. And as I've created videos earlier, you can buy stocks like Alcargo and Realis India at current levels. These are good fundamental stocks and you can really buy the stocks. So my final recommendation, go for this four: Fine Organics, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, Healthcare Global, Venkesh India. Then Alcargo, you can also go for L&T Infotech, Persistent Systems, and Realis India. So these are my picks as of today. Alright, so I'll create videos on each of these stocks and any new stocks that comes in the future. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.